If you got the best husband in the world, then you will consider you will hit the marriage jackpot. Are you proud of you? It is about the best husband in the world. If you hit the marriage jackpot, it has a husband who does things that makes a marriage life especially beautiful. Shall we move? What are the 10 things whether that makes your husband is the best in the world? First one, often he says, I love you. Most of men are very reluctant to express their feelings. But if you hit the marriage jackpot, you can always find a husband who says, I love you to his wife. If your husband always says that he loves you more, remember that he is not afraid to communicate his feelings. Remember another one also, that you are lucky wife. Second one, he loves and respects his mother. If your husband loves and respects his mother, he will treat you the same way, because every person in the world is most loved his mother. If a man respects his mother, he will treat other women with respect. If you got a man, he decides that his important things above the all is his mother. You are the luckiest wife in the world. The third thing, he likes to flirt with you over time. Love relationships break apart, but if you got a good husband, he will never break down your love relationships. He always tries to maintain the romantic relationship just as it is started when you are married. So you can see your husband is consistency trying to impress you in romantic feelings. Fourth one, he puts you first before others. A good husband wants to put his love first. He will think of your needs all above these. He will also consider your needs regardless of his needs. He will understand your needs and will be interested in fulfilling them. He makes the boring things into fun. Yes, it's really. While you are cleaning the kitchen, your husband stays close to you. Even if your work is whatever you are doing, it is too boring. If he sit with you and it's lighten your mind, then the works you do will be the fun for you. The sixth one, he wants to achieve your dreams. When two people are in love, their needs is the happiness of others. The only way to make a person happy is to help them achieve their dreams. Does your husband have these characters? Is he always committed to making your dreams as a reality? Remember, then you are the very, very lucky wife. The seventh one, he lifts you up when you are down. Life is not always happy, but the moment you are unhappy, your day will be brightened by your husband. When you are fall into a mental breakup, your husband will strengthen you and make your unhappy day into a happy day. The eighth one, if your husband work hard for you. Your husband works hard during office hours and working hard during his hobbies time. When busy, it is the husband's responsibility to carry out his education and projects as well as manage the family affairs successfully. Congratulations! If your husband is doing the both of this successfully, then if you are the luckiest wife in the world. The ninth one, he likes to surprise you. No matter how long you have been married, he will plan to celebrate your romantic date and he will never forget it. And he always tries to express his love for you, even with a small gift, trying to surprise you by preparing your favorite food, shopping with you, the travel, and also cinemas. etc. A good husband will do these things for his wife because this is the best way to express the love. The last one, often he compliments you. Cooperation in the marriage life is essential if you want to maintain and protect your romantic relationships. If he appreciates and praises your all actions, that means he actually believes that you are the greatest woman in the world. If your husband does all these things, you are in very lucky. Make sure that you do your duty to him, then you will never notice any lack of connectivity. Thank you for watching this video. I believe you may get a best husband in the world. Happy married life. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for your support and click the bell button. See you in next interesting good video.